What's going on, guys? Mark Reels here, and I'm about to actually head out to work, so I really wanted to make this quick video. And pretty much I just want to talk a little bit about my current setup right now. It's kind of been bothering me. I don't know, like I kind of like have neck trouble, so it's like I have a tendency to look up a lot, and when I look down, I don't know if it's because I'm looking up, but when I'm looking up I feel more comfortable. That's why my TV is all the way up, my bed is down, you know. So the only thing I actually have trouble with is my setup. I mean, like, the reason I built this setup is so I can be as comfortable as possible, you know. So this is basically what my art setup looks like as for right now, and I don't really have a problem with it, but the only problem I have is when I'm sitting here for like a long period of time drawing, I tend to get headaches. And as for right now, the only thing I can really say that's causing the headaches is that I'm not really changing positions a lot. So I'm mainly like sitting here drawing, and I'm staring at this screen, which is about maybe 13 inches, I believe. And I don't know, maybe it's the screens or maybe it's the lights. Let's see, how can I put this? I basically found somebody that knows their shit, you know, and pretty much I found this electronic tech store called Tech Gurus. It's in Chicago. If you guys know about it, I definitely think you should check it out. Got some pretty dope stuff up in there, and I would say it's about 10 times better than Radio Shack, which I know is not around anymore, and Guitar Center put together for tech people. Like, seriously, you should check it out if you're in the Chicago area. Anyway, in there, I looked around and I talked to the guy, and I pretty much told him that I was an illustrator, you know, I do digital arts and shit like that. So basically I told him, like, hey, well, this is the problem I'm having, you know, do you have any suggestions? Like, and actually all I did was just show him pictures of my setup, you know, and he gave me some pretty dope advice. So he told me that I wasn't getting enough blood circulation. I was staying at that same monitor for too long, so he told me to get a bigger monitor, and I'm going to get to that next. As we were walking around the store, he also suggested to me that I should think about changing the light bulbs. And now that I think about it, this light bulb, this little fucking devil right here, has pissed me off. And to come to find out, these bulbs are actually bad for your health, and they get real hot. Like, I'm not. So these are the bulbs he suggested to me, and they're called earth bulbs, and they're plastic, just like the light bulbs with the LED changing color thing that I got for the center lights. And these are the bulbs that's lighting up my room right now. This is what he suggested to me. And you know, it's funny because a friend told me about this little baby right here.
Look at this dude.
This little sweet angel.
Wait till you see
and pretty much what this does, it allows you to pretty much, it's basically an HDMI. You know, you probably already know about it. Basically what it does, it allows you to hook your computer, Mac, laptop, anything you're using to a smart TV. Doesn't have to be a smart TV. You can actually, I'll name this video how to turn your non-smart TV into a smart TV, because that's basically what you're doing. 32-inch TV bracket. So what I'm going to be doing is taking a small 32-inch TV and putting it on this wall. Basically where these soundproof panels are going to be, there's going to be a TV right there. So that way I can either look down or look up and, you know, move around and get a feel. And trust me when I say this, I thought about it too, and common sense says, Marcus, the reason why you're having so many fucking neck problems is because you're staring up at this large ass fucking TV. And that was my first thought, you know. Maybe I was like, maybe I need to bring the monitor or the TV down in front of me so I can actually try that for like a month. Actually, by it being directly in my face, it was actually worse, 10 times worse. So technically what I'm going to be doing with this TV, since it actually doesn't really fit on this wall, I bought a smaller smart TV, an actual smart TV, so I don't really have to rely on my PlayStation for like Netflix and stuff, because this TV doesn't have cable. So what I'm gonna do is, I have two TVs now. I have the 32-inch TV that's gonna go on this wall, and I have the, I believe it's a 40-inch TV that's gonna go on this wall. And what I'm gonna do is, since this TV is not really drilled into the wall, it's just sitting on the stand, I'm going to be drilling the TV onto this wall behind it, and I'm going to be tilting it down towards, so it wasn't, I mean, I will still be looking up, but you'll be able to see more color through the TV by not being like all flippity floppity or slippity slappity, I don't know.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, I got everything set up. Well, not everything, well, I just drilled them into the wall. What really took me so long is trying to get that right tilt that I wanted. And pretty much it's like, as soon as I put it up on the wall, it kind of just did its own thing and tilted itself, but it's in there pretty good. So I'm not really worried about it, and it's pretty tight. Can reach my hand back there and tighten it up a little bit more. But yeah, it's pretty tight. So now here's for the fun part, is trying to hide these wires. And I might have to bring this down a little bit because it's actually bumping the laptop, which is a problem. Actually, I just pull this down and bring it down a notch. Slide it down. Alright, now we got a clear passageway. We can just tilt that however I want it. And the only thing that's left is just for me to clean up the drill dust left over and stuff. And then we can plug it up and see how this thing looks.
Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next?
He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of the suicidal maniac.
You
I really wanted to get it looking as professional as possible. I did a pretty good job of hiding the wires behind the sound panel, but it kind of looks kind of funky right here. Simple fact is, you know, it's the wires back there, so I tried to close that as much, but you know, it's alright, I guess. And then this is the only cord, these are the only two cords I can't hide really, is the power cord. Kind of tuck that back there, but and then we have the keyboard connector. I wish I could find the wireless keyboard. That'll be another thing that I'll probably do an unboxing video on. And of course I had to throw my man Goku up in there rocking that Luffy outfit, you know what I'm saying? Fuck it, throw both of them over there. I don't know, it might look a little cluttered. One more thing before I end this video. If you guys want to follow me on social media, you can check out my art page, which is called Red Premier Manga, and this is where I post my manga pages to my manga called Shogun's Past. You can check out some of my old videos when I used to do traditional art. And you can follow me on Instagram, where you can see all the updates and different characters I make and all kind of car videos and comic pages and stuff. And you also can follow me on the group page that we have called BAMA, which is Black Anime and Manga Artists, and we're at I believe 13, almost 14,000 members right now. And if you guys want to post some of your artwork here, you guys can check that out. It's a pretty dope group. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that bell. And Mark Reels, and I'm out. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. And yeah, that's about it.